Yo, what's up guys? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this cool puddle shake effect in After Effects. I already have the adjustment layer to the size of our clip. So for the first effect I'm going to add is S_warp puddle. I'm going to put the rail height at 0.990. Then I'm just going to open up our effects right here on our timeline. I'm going to open up a keyframe for our amplitude and frequency. Gonna open up our timeline right here to show our keyframes. Then I'm gonna put the amplitude right here at 0 for the end. And then for frequency, I'm gonna put it to 0.01. I'm gonna put it right towards the end. I'm gonna highlight all 4 keyframes right here. Then I'm just gonna press F9 on my keyboard to ease all 4 keyframes. Next, I'm gonna add S_shake. Next effect I'm gonna add is S_shake. I'm gonna click on our motion blur right here. Gonna head towards the beginning of our clip. Open up our keyframe once again. And put our amplitude at 2.010. Whoops, 2.010. Gonna open up our keyframe for our amplitude. Then I'm gonna head towards around 25% of our clip, so about right here. 25% of our adjustment line. Put it right there and put our new keyframe at 130, 0.130. Then I'm gonna highlight and ease our 2 keyframes right here. Then I'm gonna head over to Y shake, click on Y random. Gonna head over here once again to the beginning. I'm gonna put our Y random at 216. Click on the time watch, open up our timeline, then head towards about 20% of our clip, so about right here. Then I'm just gonna reset our clip right there, highlight and ease our keyframes once again. I'm gonna add S_ultra glow. I'm gonna put the threshold at 0.23. I'm gonna have it at the start. Click on the time watch and open up a keyframe. I'm gonna put it towards the beginning right there, and I'm just gonna head towards the end of our clip, and I'm gonna put 0.49, put it towards the end, and then I'm gonna highlight all the clips here. Not all the clips, but all the keyframes. And then for the last effect I'm gonna add is radial blur. I'm gonna put it on zoom, then high. I'm gonna head towards the beginning. I'm gonna put it on 20 at the start. Open up our keyframe, and then open up our timeline. Gonna drop it down to 0. Then I'm just gonna drop it towards the end. Then I'm gonna once again highlight all of our keyframes right here. That is all you need to create a warp shake effect. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. That is all I have for you today. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.